Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter number 7, Nona and the Rain. Nona is a girl, and we are talking about Nona and the rain. Let's see what Nona thinks. Okay, firstly, what you have to do is you have to observe the picture as shown in this video. You have to name them, identify the picture, observe carefully, and tell me what you understand by seeing these three pictures. You have to type the message to my personal number and send it to me. Okay? What do you see in this two picture? Children, observe this picture carefully and tell me what you see in this picture. In one picture, what you observe? Water is everywhere. When do we see such things? When it is a rainy season, when the heavy rain falls, we see water gets collected. The excess water we see, and that is called flood. Okay, see the next picture. The land is dry. There is no water. What it is called? Drought. A drought is a long period with no rain or unusually low level of rain. Okay, you can also say it as a period of dry weather. After seeing this two picture, do you think we should have rainy season? Do you go out and play in the rainy season? Because this lesson is related to the rain. We are going to read the story and find out why Nona wants the rain to be stopped. Okay, so here we read the story about Nona and find out what happens when she asked her grandfather to stop the rain. Now children, let's read the story. It's raining, Grandpa. I can't play, complains Nona. Let's turn off the rain, she tells her grandpa. What is the meaning of this two line? Now here Nona is complaining with her grandpa that she cannot go out and play because it is raining. So she tells her grandpa to turn off the rain. She's telling him to stop the rain. Now children, you also must have observed it in your family. When it is raining heavily, you are not allowed to go out and play. Why? Because if you play in the rain, you may get wet, you will get fever, or you will get cold. So that is why your parents are not allowing you to go out and play in the rain. Even in school, you don't get to play in the rainy season. When you have a PT period, even in school, teachers don't allow you to play because of the same reason. So Nona tells her grandpa, since it is raining, she is not able to play. So she tells him to turn off the rain, means to stop the rain or to close the rain tap. Are you sure? Asked Grandpa. Yes, now Nona is adamant. Grandpa and Nona turns off the rain tap. So grandfather tells Nona, are you sure that you want to stop the rain? So she is adamant. Adamant means determines to not to change her mind. So what she has decided, it should happen. So she says, yes, now you should stop the rain. So Grandpa and Nona turns off the rain tap. The sun shines cheerfully. Nona is happy. Now the rain is stopped, so she is happy and the sun is shining cheerfully. All the children are happy. They jump about and play. The warm sun shines on them. Now what happens? The other children also feel happy because now they can go out and play as the sun is shining on them. Gramsing is surprised. What has happened to this green field? The plants are drooping. He looks up at the bright sun. Where is the rain? Now Gramsing is a farmer and he is surprised to see his green field. Why? Because if there is no rain, what happens? The plant starts drying up and they bend or they be hanging. Okay, when there is no life in the plant, what happens? They bend. So he looks up at the bright sun and he puts a question, where is the rain? Just then Ram Singh's friends gather on his field. Now his friends have come to meet him. Nona and her grandpa have done this, says Santa. So one of his friends, Santa, says that this is done by Nona and her grandpa. They have turned the rain tap. Let's go and ask them the reason. Everyone decides. Now they want to find out the reason why they stop the rain. But why do you want rain? Asked Nona. Now they have come to ask Nona and the grandpa, but Nona is asking them why do they need rain. Look how happy the children are. They like the sun. The children want the sun. So she's telling why you people need a rain when the children are happy. They are happy. Why? Because they can play. So they like sun and children want the sun. So the weather stays sunny. In the forest, Sher Khan feels thirsty. Where is the water in the pond? Only puddles remain. The deer shake their head in despair. Now here Sher Khan is a lion who is thirsty and he finds no water in the pond. So only the puddle remains. Puddle means what? A small pool of water. The deer shakes their head in despair, means they lost their hope. The pond needs water. There is no rain. The elephant says Nona and her grandpa did this. Let's go see them. Now, when they came to know that Nona and grandpa has stopped the rain, so the animals in the forest decides to go and see them. But the sunshine makes the children happy. Nona tells Sher Khan and his friends. So the sun shines on. The same reply she gives to Sher Khan and the other animals, that children are happy to see the sun as they can play. So why do you need rain? At the fruit market, Nayak delivers boxes of grapes. The fruit seller waits eagerly. 5 boxes, 10 boxes, 15 boxes. Now, here Nayak is a delivery boy who delivers the grapes to the fruit seller, and the fruit seller are eagerly waiting to take their boxes. So one fruit seller says I want 5 boxes, the other says 10 boxes, and the other one says 15 boxes. What is this? Yells a lady. I asked for grapes, not raisins. She opens all the boxes. The boxes have raisins instead of juicy grapes. Now when she opens the box, one of the lady who is selling the fruit, she says that what it is. I want grapes. I don't want raisins. Raisin means it's a dry fruit. When you see the grapes becomes dry, means there is no water in the fruit. Okay, the juice of the grapes has become dry. So there is no water in that grapes. So it is said that she wants the juicy grapes, not the raisins, not the dry ones. Okay, the boxes have raisins instead of juicy grapes. The hot sun has dried the grapes, Didi, explains Nayak. Nona and her grandpa did this. Let us go and see them. So what does the Nayak tells to that lady? Didi, this has been done by Nona and her grandpa. They did this because they have stopped the rain. But the children are so happy with the sunshine. There are more children than all of you, says Nona. So she replies to those fruit sellers that children are happy with the sunshine and they are more children than all of you. So she says to the fruit seller, Nayak, the sun continues to shine brightly. Today is a special day. Mr. and Mrs. Dev decide to check how their new house is being built. When they arrive at the place where their house is being built, they are surprised. Instead of a house, there are only some bricks and a few odd walls. Now here Mr. and Mrs. Dev have decided to construct their house and the work is going on. So when they arrive to that place where the house is being built, what did they see? They were surprised that the construction work has been stopped due to no water. So they asked, instead of the house there was only some bricks and a few odd walls. We need water to mix the cement. The sun has dried up all the water, says the workers who are playing cards. So there is no work for the so there is no water to build the house. Seeing this, Mr. Oh no, the children like the sunshine, assert Nona to the angry people, they are more children than all of you. Now what Nona replies to those people, that there are many children who are very fond of sunshine and they like to play in the sun. So and the sun shines on hotter than ever. So all this was done by Nona and the grandpa because they wanted the children to be happy. Like Nona wanted the children to be happy because she didn't like rain. Just then Amma calls, there is no water in the well, we can't bath, we can't wash clothes and we can't cook. What shall we do? So her mother calls her saying that there is no water in the well. So if there is no water, what will happen? We cannot take a bath, we cannot wash our clothes, we cannot clean our house, we cannot cook food. So her mother questions her, what shall we do? As she hears this, Nona wails, I am thirsty. So as she comes to know that there is no water, she feels very thirsty. She cries. Wails means she cries, I am thirsty. Grandpa, turn the tap on, says she. Now she realized that water is important. So she tells her grandpa to turn on the rain tap. Grandpa and Nona turn the rain tap on again. So now they have opened the rain tap, so it started raining. Clouds begin to form, drizzle falls, and then the rain falls. You know, na, when the rain starts, what happens? A light drizzling. You know, it will be little less. Then when it starts raining, it becomes little heavier. Everyone welcomes the refreshing rain. So now all people all people like Gram Singh, Sher Khan, and fruit sellers, then Mr. and Mrs. they all become happy. Look, Grandpa, explains Nona, the children are playing in the rain. They are so happy, they are happy even when it is raining. We need both the sun and the rain. Too much of anything is bad, says Grandpa. So here, what do you understand, children? That Nona is a stubborn child and she did not understand the importance of rain. Yet she can also be seen as an understanding because towards the end of the story she understands the way rainwater is important for survival. Okay, children, because water is very important in our life because we need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, isn't it? For cleaning the vehicles, or you have a pet dog or pet animals, you give them a bath. So for watering the plants, we need water, is it not? So water to is important for the human being to survive as for the animals also. So I want the children to read the lesson, read the spellings. If you find any difficult words, you can write them in your rough book 3 times and read the lesson. Okay, so in the next online class or maybe in the next this, I will take a dictation. You have to read the lesson and the difficult words. Okay.
What do you think will happen if the rain stops? Let us listen to a story about Nona and find out what happened when she asked her grandfather to stop the rain.
It's raining, Grandpa. I can't play. Let's turn off the rain.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
Grandpa and Nona turned the rain tap off. The sun shines cheerfully. Nona is happy. All the children are happy. They run and jump and play. The sun shines on them warmly. Gram Singh is surprised. What has happened to his green fields? The plants are drooping. He looks up at the bright sun. Where is the rain? Just then, Gram Singh's friends come by.
Nona and her grandpa have done this. They turned the rain tap off.
Let us go and ask them why.
Everyone decides.
You want rain? But why? Look how happy the children are. They like the sun. The children want the sun.
So, the weather stays sunny. In the forest, Sher Khan feels thirsty. Where is the water in the pond? Only puddles remain. The deer shake their heads in despair.
The pond needs water. There is no rain. Nona and her grandpa did this. Let's go see them.
But the sunshine makes the children happy. And there are so many of them.
So, the sun shines on. At the fruit bazaar, Nayak is delivering juicy grapes. The fruit seller waits eagerly.
5 boxes, 10 boxes, 15 boxes.
What is this? I asked for grapes, not raisins.
She opens all the boxes. There are no juicy grapes, only raisins.
The hot sun has dried the grapes, Didi. Nona and her grandpa did this. Let's go see them.
But the children are so happy with the sunshine. There are more children than you.
So, the sun shines on. Today is a special day. Mr. and Mrs. Deb are moving into their new house. Their things are packed, but as they arrive, they are surprised. There is no house. There are some bricks and a few low walls.
We need water to mix cement. The sun has dried up all the water.
I know who did this. Nona and her grandpa.
Says Mr. Deb, and off they go to see them.
Oh no! The children like the sunshine. There are more children than you.
So the sun shines on, hotter than ever.
There is no water in the well. We can't bathe, we can't wash clothes, and we can't cook. What shall we do?
As she hears this,
I am hungry. I am thirsty. I want to splash in the water. Grandpa, turn the rain tap on.
Grandpa and Nona turn the rain tap on again. Clouds begin to form. It drizzles and then begins to rain.
Look, Grandpa, the children are playing in the rain. They are so happy. They are happy even when it is raining.
We need both the sun and the rain. Too much of one thing is not good.